Ever notice how just seeing someone yawn, or even just hearing about yawning, makes you want to yawn too? That's not just your imagination. Scientists call this contagious yawning, and it's all about empathy and our brains mirroring others. When we see someone yawn, the social part of our brain lights up, almost as if we're syncing up emotionally. Here's the twist. Not all animals do this, but dogs can catch yawns from humans. So next time you yawn in a meeting, remember, you're basically showing off your superpower of empathy.